Hello, my friend. Boss here, out here relaxing under the tree. And I wanted to discuss with you some of the things I've been hearing over the last months and years when working with people trying to build their business or get things going in their company or straighten things out. And here's the statement. You can't have $1 million capacity with a coupon mentality. Let the church say amen. I'm going to say that again. You can't have $1 million capacity with a coupon mentality. Now let me break that down. If you don't want to invest in yourself, your education, your growth, your potential, you don't want to invest in your business, you want everything for free, people to do everything for you for nothing in return, you want the cheapest of everything. If you're not willing to invest in the people and systems that are going to be helping you, you want them to give their services for free. You want them to work at the minimums. You have a coupon mentality, but you have millionaire aspirations. Those two things don't go together. Those are some of the reasons why people have such a hard time understanding why they can't succeed. If you have a business or you have a plan to charge people thousands of dollars, but you want a 50% or 75% off every time you are talking to some other service provider or other coach or other mentor that can really actually help you, or some course that you can take, you have a coupon mentality. Sometimes it's not your fault because you weren't taught to be an entrepreneur, but an entrepreneur understands that they have to invest in themselves, in their business, in their people, in order to scale and succeed. So, moral of the lesson, stop trying to be a millionaire on a budget, on a cheap budget. Let's say it that way. All right, boss out.